Let's start with USD CAD. If you look at a daily chart, this is currently staying at the mitigation zone from the daily chart. So this is 17th May. It's kind of bearish. It is on a POI. It have possibility it can reverse to the upside, but it haven't showed any sign yet. Let's go to the H1. On H1, no strong impulse to the upside. That means we can still look for selling. So that was my plan. This was the recent heavy sell-off. So this became my POI for this day. 17th May. When price will reach to this area, I will look for sell-off. So let's go to M5. This is my entry time frame. M5. If we look how price reached to this level. It came and this slowed off. It's struggling to going off. Alright. So it was a clear sign. It can fall off, but we cannot enter just direct. So this was the support building up on intraday. Support, it broke and finally retested again, but the retest was very strong, so this was not an entry signal. After this rejection, this was the entry signal, but I wasn't available to trade. First target we could look for these lows for trade, and the stop loss would be here. That would be nice. This was the entry in New York. Let's move to the USD CHF. On daily, it looking quite bullish. This is the support, daily support, and a strong bullish candle formed. So this was on bull side. As you can see here, this was the BOS. So it extended a lot and rejection from upside coming here, so we can look for a pullback trade. Let's go. This is the market structure shift on M5. After the shift, and the shift was heavy, guys. Look at the fair value gap, it was strong. After that we could look for sell, but according to my strategy, the way I enter, it didn't provided me any entry here. So it was a fast day on USD CHF. Let's go to USD JPY. Daily looking, giving the bullish idea, and on it doesn't look the, we cannot look for pullback reversal. H1, it doesn't look the, we cannot look for pullback reversal here at this mitigation block or zone. Why? Because the pullback was too heavy, and I do avoid in that case. However, the pullback could be traded. Yeah, heavy price action on M5, big candle. That means this is a sign of starting the pullback to this POI. You could have entered in this area. Heavy pullback, it struggled to went up, struggle to go up, then again another heavy pullback, breaking through this, what it is right there, breaking through this support again. Another price pullback. After this rejection, you could have sell to this POI. This was another entry on, this was the entry. The M5 broke down here, and this was the entry. And Euro USD is not looking that good. However, GBP USD within a bullish market structure on H1, this impulse was heavy, so the base of that impulse becomes our POI. On daily also it's looking bullish, so let's go to M5. This is the POI. We'll go on M5 to this area. What we have, nice rejection. Look at this is the spark. This is the early sign of this could be a valid POI. What is the spark? After this spark, you could have entered here. After these rejections, obviously your stop loss will be bigger. Another sign, within the POI time frame, we have these rejections here. Rejections. Alright, that was a good sign. That means we can compromise with our entry pattern. This could be a secret entry because the POI is good, trend is bullish, this POI is strong, so we can compromise with our entry quality, entry pattern quality. That means on M30 we could have entered directly on the W forming here. This was the good entry too. When we have a good framework, we could compromise with our entries. So I took trade on Euro AUD. I'll show you. This was the entry. I can put that little video I recorded from the trade. This was the bearish trend. It is on bearish trend. As you can see, the market structure is down, daily looking down, so high probability trade. This was my POI. This rejection I sold here. This is another entry provided here, but I didn't took it. Again, I had some work, so I had to go. However, just prior to London Open, I took this trade. I might put those screenshots here, and so the little video I have recorded I will add here. This was the entry. It is a supply demand entry. When price hit to this level, it rejected very heavy. Look at this rejection candle, fat as juicy as candle, right? So this was the supply demand entry. I took the entry here. This is the SMD jump. I was targeting to this lows, but it showed me exit sign here. The rejected. This is a exit strategy. One of my entry exit strategy. Sorry. When it rejected, I again price fall. This wasn't very high probability exit signal because the flow was too heavy, but I closed here. I didn't want to risk. I was kind of messed up with my psychology too. Then I closed here. Actually, this wasn't too strong exit signal for me, I'm not gonna lie. But after this rejection, it is making a rejection zone. This was a clear cut sign, guys. This rejection, you gotta exit. It came again and it rejected again, breaking through the M5 structure. Then he could have make an entry on this rejection to sell this, because it was on New York. It is the last session, so you can have some good target. If price moved in London, don't look for big target. If you get entry on New York, you can always look for good entry because this is the last session of the day. And POI was very strong, good. Bias is down. That means our framework is good. When our framework is good, we can compromise with our entry pattern quality. So that's it. For if I review everything, this will be too large video, so I'm stopping here. I will put the screenshot of this trade. Alright, that's it, guys. That's it. If you find some value from this video, some knowledge, do subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. This is I ended up this week with a profit, and I hope we will meet again on Sunday. Not Sunday, Monday. I'm flickering.